teach you some information on chemistry at National 5 and higher. So why choose chemistry? Chemistry helps you understand the world around you, and it also connects other sciences together, so physics and biology. You have the opportunity to learn about different chemicals and experimenting techniques. It helps build problem solving skills, and you get to learn new knowledge about the subject and what it involves, and there's several careers that uses chemistry. National 5. At National 5, you're required to sit an exam. This is only one question paper worth 100 marks, and it lasts 2.5 hours. There's also an assignment that you're required to sit, that's worth 20 marks. 1.5 hours is allowed for the report or assignment, and 6.5 hours is allocated for research, which is done within class. At the end of each unit you complete in class as well, there's also unit tests. The units covered in National 5 are Chemical Changes in Structure, Nature's Chemistry, and Chemistry and Society. So for chemical changes in structure, the topics covered are rate of reaction, atomic structure and bonding related to the properties of materials, formulas and reacting quantities, acids and bases. For nature's chemistry, the topics covered are homologous series, everyday consumer products and energy from fuels. And finally, for chemistry and society, the topics covered are metals, plastics, fertilisers, nuclear chemistry and chemical analysis. The assignment is done individually. You're required to write a report on the information you've researched and the conclusions you have reached through your experiment. This is to show your understanding. You'll be given different headings to help structure your work. It is important to follow the structure as you're marked on how you present your knowledge and findings. And it's important you do the assignment well because it could be a difference between passing or failing your exam or getting an A or a B. So this is a sheet you'll be given to make sure you cover all the points and get the best mark possible. The markers at SQA will also receive this as a part of their marking instructions. So higher chemistry. Higher chemistry is similar to that at National 5, except there's 2 exam papers that you need to sit. Paper 1 is multiple choice, this is 25 marks and it lasts 40 minutes. And paper 2 is 95 marks, which lasts 2 hours 20 minutes. You're still required to sit the assignment, which is 20 marks, and you're allowed a maximum of 2 hours to write the report or assignment. You're still required to sit end of unit tests in class once you complete each unit. At higher, the units covered are the same at National 5, but it's important that you know your work from National 5 to learn the higher as new content is covered. So for chemical changes in structure, the topics covered are periodicity, structure and bonding, oxidizing and reducing agents. For nature's chemistry, the topics covered are systematic carbon chemistry, alcohol, carboxylic acids, esters, fats and oils, soap, detergents and emulsions, proteins, oxidation of food, fragrances and skincare. For chemistry and society, the topics covered are getting the most from reactants, controlling the rate, chemical energy, equilibria and chemical analysis. The higher assignment is very similar to National 5, except your work must be done to the standard of the higher course, so this is things like using higher terminology and wording. The assignment has a total mark allocation of 20 marks. This is scaled to 30 by the SQA to represent 20% of the overall marks for the course assessment. More information about the course specifications and assignment can be found on the SQA website, and there's also a site called Understanding Standards which you could look at to view past papers and other assignments that other pupils across Scotland have completed. As mentioned before, there's loads of jobs that require chemistry, some of them which are unexpected. So for example, there's things like a doctor, biochemist, geologist, forensic scientist, dentist, teacher, zoologist, electrical engineer, and a sports scientist.